Caliagua recently completed the installation of all above-ground treatment plant piping at well 20 for the city of Orange. As the water is pumped from the underground aquifer, it makes its way to the new treatment plant and first undergoes a pre-filter or bag filter treatment to remove any sediment. After the pre-filter treatment, the water then makes its way through the large vessels or tanks which house the ion exchange resin. Our guys are diligently working on smaller mechanical items such as chlorine injection systems, sample taps, as well as the reduced pressure backflow preventers that you can see here. Our final step of the water treatment is the chlorine injection system. We installed a small masonry chemical building that houses both the chlorine tanks as well as the chlorine pumps to help safely deliver water into the system. Caliagua is proud to be part of the solution to help ensure safe drinking water for its clients.